In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no audio in Clash Royale so you can get back to enjoying the game with sound effects and music. So the first step here is to check your device's volume. So make sure your device isn't muted. Check the volume buttons and ensure the media volume is turned up. Also check if the do not disturb mode is off. From here, we need to go ahead and open up Clash Royale. So once you're inside of Clash Royale, we want to click on the three horizontal bars and then click into settings. Once you're inside settings, we've got the option for audio. So click into audio. And now if you're like me and your audio is off and your sound effects is off, go ahead and re-enable them. And that's going to bring back the volume back on your game. Now, another thing we can try is to simply restart the game once you've done that and open it up. Also, go ahead and check Clash Royale. Make sure there is any game updates. So update your game if there is. And one last step is to clear the app cache. So this is for Android users. So what we want to do is go ahead, click on I to get it into app info, scroll down, go to storage, and now you want to go ahead and clear cache here. So clear cache like that and then rejoin the game. That should fix your sound issues in Clash Royale.